T seller, hey man, T seller.
Fly,
Parrot fly,
parrot fly,
sparrow fly,
sparrow fly,
eagle fly,
eagle fly,
buffalo fly.
buffalo fly.
Alright, I don't want to involve you with bunch of talk. Let's jump into the funny conversation between teacher and student. Thank you.
You must welcome in Global Spoken English.
Hi everyone, a very beautiful good morning from bottom of the heart. First of all, I want to introduce myself. I am Swati Shakarma and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. I will play the role of a student in this drama and I want to conclude the drama in the last story. Today we are going to present a beautiful drama which will give you a beautiful message. As you saw, so shall you reap. It means in Hindi, जो बोगे वो काटोगे. And we will tell you that some teachers do not teach properly and they play with the life of a student. And most of teachers teach properly and they play a great role in making bright future of a student. Alright, I don't want to involve you with bunch of talk. Let's jump into the funny conversation between teacher and student. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Good morning everybody. First of all, I want to express gratitude towards respected and honorable teachers who gave me a very beautiful and very lovely chance to play the role of teacher in this drama. I am Pratibha. I am learning English from Global Spoken English. I want to say some beautiful line. Win and loss depended on you. Win and loss depended on you. If you agree, you lost, and if you are determined, then you win. If you want to get something in life, change the way not. Thanks for listening.
Good morning everyone. I am Pinky and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. I will play the role of student. Thank you. A very good morning, my respected teacher and my dear friends. My name is Vipasha. I am learning from Global Spoken English.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nandini. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. I will play the role of teacher. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Mohammad Shahbaz. I am from Brazil. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I will play the role of a student in this drama. So thank you everyone.
Hello everyone. My name is Mohammad Merata. I am from Bhojpur. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I will play the role of student. Thank you.
My name is Vishal Arthur. I come from Holipur, Bhojpur district Mau. I have joined Global Spoken English to improve my English today. I will play the role of student vegetable seller in this drama.
I am Mukesh Raja from Holipur, Bhojpur district Mau. I will play the role media in this drama.
Good morning student. Okay, sit down. Okay, I ask you one question. Yeah. Stand up. What you want to become?
I want to become IPS officer and I want to get criminals punished and I want to protect my country.
Very good your dream. God bless you. Do hard work. IPS officer. Stand up. What is your dream?
I want to become a scientist.
And who is your ideal person?
My ideal person is APJ Abdul Kalam.
Very good. Sit down. God bless you. And my blessing with you. Stand up. What is your ambition?
I want to become a doctor
Why?
because I want to serve people and I want to serve my country.
Okay. Very good your thought. Sit down. Okay. So continue your reading. I am going.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi friend, look at our teacher. She is wearing a sweater.
Yes. Teacher is doing the sweater, and after some time, our teacher may sleep too.
You are right. We should go to play.
Yes, let us play. Play. कौवा उड़,
कौवा उड़,
तोता उड़,
तोता उड़,
चिड़िया उड़,
चिड़िया उड़,
भैंस उड़,
भैंस उड़।
Oh no, you.
Yeah, no, my turn. I will speak.
Fly,
Parrot fly,
parrot fly,
sparrow fly,
sparrow fly,
eagle fly,
eagle fly,
buffalo fly.
Um,
Oh no.
buy tomato 30 rupees per kg, buy tomato and buy potato and buy organic and green vegetable and buy natural and green vegetable, good quality vegetable. Buy potato and buy vegetable, buy tomato, potato and buy onion and buy organic and green and natural vegetable.
Hey you, what is the price of tomato?
30 rupees per kg.
Okay, give me 1 kg tomato.
Anything else?
Nothing else.
Vegetable seller come buy potato, tomato, lady finger and onion, tomato, buy tomato, super qualities and fresh vegetable, green natural, there are for you.
Yeah. What is the cost of tomato per kg?
Yeah, 30 rupees per kg.
Okay, give me 1 kg.
Yeah. Take it. Yeah, give me money. Yeah. Do you want to anything else?
I don't want anything else.
Yeah, thanks.
Tea seller, tea seller, tea seller, tea seller. Hey man, tea seller. Tea seller, tea seller. Hey sir, tea seller.
Hey tea seller, give me 1 cup tea.
Yes sir, take.
What is the price of 1 cup tea?
Yes I have 10 rupees per cup.
Other tea seller give me 1 cup tea in 5 rupees.
But sahib, my tea is very special tea. First you take, after that you tell me.
Wow sir, very tasty tea.
Thank you sir. My condition. Now I have to sell the tea and for surviving my life, and I want to say all students, you must focus on your study, otherwise you will have face a lots of challenges in your life.
Stand up, Grappan. What are you doing?
Nothing else.
Okay. Tell me who broke Shivaji bow.
Has he broken?
Sit down. Jalwa, what are you doing? Stand up.
Nothing.
Tell me who broke Shivaji bow.
Ma'am, if you don't me, I can tell you. Ma'am, actually I didn't come on that day when it was broken because I had headache.
I will not beat you. Sit down.
This is Raja from Faradar channel with cameraman Jaswant Yadav. I am going to show the condition of primary school. What are you doing? What's your name?
My name is Nandini.
Yeah, which class do you teach?
I class teach.
Yeah. I ask a question?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the spelling of Sunday?
Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday.
SENDAY. No. SANDAY.
Yeah, you are okay. And next question, what is the spelling of Saturday?
Saturday.
Yeah.
SUTTERRRBAY.
Yeah, okay. And next question, who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Prime Minister of India.
Yeah.
Yogi.
My love. And next question, who is the Prime Minister of India?
Prime Minister of India. Pranab Mukherjee.
Yes, so next question, can you tell me 9 number?
Yeah. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27,
Yeah.
9 4 ja 54, 9 5 ja 54.
Yeah. Just now you are watching the condition of primary school is a very all of the bad. Dash. Teacher does not know ninth table, spelling of Sunday, and who was the first Prime Minister of India. That what we teach student. Keep on watching my channel. Thanks.
Hi viewers, as you watched our drama, now I want to conclude the drama. We got a very good lesson that if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. And let me tell you one thing that in the world nobody and nothing will help you until you start helping yourself. I want to request that government should take strict action against those teachers who take salary but they do not teach properly, especially in primary school. And they play with the life of student. As all of us know that children are the future of country. Finally, we want to thank Director Gulab Nabi sir and his Global Spoken English team. And they are working hard for us and they are making us capable to speak English. As you just saw in the drama, that some children were playing and were paying attention in the studies, and some children were having fun. Now see here the children who work hard studying IPS, become doctor and scientist. And look at the children. Who did not studying hard work at the school. So today his vegetable sellers become fruit sellers and tea sellers. So then you know the education is very important in our life. Thank all of you from bottom of the heart. Thank you.